My name is Saqib. We're currently at the Samuel Leeds 4-day event. It's just coming towards the end of the third day. A lot of information that we've all taken in. A lot of people made a lot of made a lot of new friends, should I say, and made a lot of new connections. So yeah, that's where we are at the moment. It's been up and down, for be honest with you. It's been a very much of a roller coaster. I mean, the first day compared to the last day has been very different. When I first got here, I wasn't too sure on what was happening, what the process was. As the days have gone on, I've become more aware of what's the whole point behind the course. It's not just a course, it's a network. It's not just a network, it's an environment. It's not just environment, it's a community. And that's something that you've kind of become more and more aware of the more time I spend here, the more time I spend with the Academy members. That's one of the reasons why I've decided to join, because like I said, it's more of a community. And I feel as if with a community, you can shift a mountain. So Samuel himself is, to be honest, he is who he is. You get what you see. That's one thing that kind of drew me towards Samuel in the first place. He's not trying to put on a facade. He's not trying to be somebody to get you to like him. He is who he is. You either like him or you don't. A lot of people do, some people don't. I find that whether you do or don't, you can't deny what he does. The proof is in the pudding. And if you're able to see it for yourself, why not believe it for yourself? That's the way I think. And Samuel has put me in a position to see it, and I'm in a position now to believe it. Sorry, I can't hear you. It is a practical event, so there's a lot of hands-on stuff. There's a lot of things which involve you actually joining up with a team member or creating relationships with people that you probably wouldn't speak to normally. So I'm here speaking to people from all different walks of life, all different backgrounds, all different stages in the journey at the moment. I say it's very practical, it's very hands-on. It's not something that is, yes, you can do the online courses. Yes, you can do the online videos. Yes, you can watch the YouTube videos. But it's something different when you're here in person with people and you're communicating, you're networking, you're meeting, you're talking, and it's an exchange of emotions and exchange of ideas. So yeah, definitely very practical. I would. I mean, I understand why most people would feel. It's to some people a lot of money, and it is a big change in someone's life. So it's not something to be taken lightly. However, if you believe in yourself, there's no reason why you can't do it. I personally believe it's worth doing, and I've been speaking to everyone I know, everyone who I think can benefit from it, and I'm telling everyone, go for it. If you're gonna do it with Samuel.